How to deposit money in crypto.com from bank. Depositing money to your crypto.com account from your bank is very simple. Launch the crypto.com app and log into your account, then tap on the transfer button that you can see there. You'll have two options to deposit or withdraw. Since we're trying to deposit, tap the deposit option. On the next tab, you have to simply make sure to select crypto or fiat. Since we are trying to deposit real money, we will select the option called fiat. From fiat, select your currency. You can set up in USD or any of the other currency you prefer. Then choose your deposit option. So you can look at bank account or a bank deposit or wire transfer, whichever is convenient. Link your bank account first, because in the future, if you want to use the same bank account, linking it is a better idea. So make sure to link your bank account and tap the deposit now button. Enter your deposit amount, the monthly limit, deposit from whichever account, and tap the add account button. And once done, it will ask that it will use Plate to connect your crypto.com account. Once you select your account or bank account from Plate, enter your credentials like email and password, and finally just tap the confirm button. And now you can see we've successfully deposited money to crypto.com. This is how you can deposit money from bank on crypto.com. Hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.